What's up, guys? I'm I'm here at the ladder, and I saw my dog fighting here. If you want to see it, there, there. You see it? It's right there at the chair. And if you having fun, guys, and leave a comment down below and let us know what should I do next. And this is the end of the video. Please subscribe and like this video. I'm almost hot, but let's not talk about that. I don't know what to say anymore. Just leave a comment down below and subscribe and like this video. Right, that is the end of the video. Please subscribe and like. I'm out.